Singjamai Assembly Constituency ki MLA Yumnam Khemchand BJP Legislature Party ki luchingbo oina khankre hayeng numidang wairam Manipur ki Chief Minister oina wasak lawraba yai hairi Press na fangba pau amagi matung ina Yumnam Khemchand na luchinglaga nongna semgadoriba lengak asigi Deputy Chief Minister na MLA Nimchakip Gen aduga Bisnupur AC ki MLA Govindas Konthojamna Home Minister oiragani atopa Deputy Chief Minister ki fam amana BJP ki mapang oiriba NPF ki MLA amada piragani adubu karamba MLA da fam ase pirakadage haibadadi NPF na leblakani hairi BJP na ngarang Manipur ki Legislative Party Leader khannabagi mikhalda Central Observer oina appoint tawkiba BJP Parliamentary Board ki National Secretary Tarun Chok amasung BJP North East ki in charge Sambit Patra yauna ngasi numidang wairam pung mga rom tabada Dindayal Upadhyaya Mark Talaiba Bharatiya Janata Party ki headquarters ta pangthokiba mifam amada warep asi ayekpa yaudana lawkibani hairi Panbayabadi State Humpulaiba Manipur Legislative Assembly da Opposition Congress yaudana Ladiba State masing asi Bharatiya Janata Party ki State Kuntragatare National People's Party ki State Taruk Janata Dal United na State ama Naga People's Front na State mga Independent ahum Kuki People's Alliance da State anini Manipur gi anauba Chief Minister oina wasak lawragadoba Yumnam Khemchand Singjamai Assembly Constituency gi kumjali singani kuni thoi amasung kumjali sing ani taraga tareta tam anirakta mikhal mai paglakibani mahak kumjali singani taraga tareta gi kumjali singani kuni thoi fawba Manipur Legislative Assembly gi Speaker oiki kumjali singani kuni thoi dege kumjali singani kun manga fawbana matamadugi Chief Minister Nongthomam Birena luchingba lengakta Rural Development and Panchayati Raj Education amati mahut yauna maru oba portfolio kaya so pairami mahak South Korea gi Seoul leiba Global Traditional Taekwondo Federation apiba 5th Gen Black Belt fangba ngamkiba ahanba India macha amsuni